Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting the two building blocks, a lock screen app that allows widgets and a widget maker that can display two clocks. Install both, then open Settings and grant the lock app lock screen and overlay permissions. Once done, open the widget maker and create two clock elements, one for each time zone, saving each as a separate widget. Make sure you name them clearly, because you will place them on the lock screen next. This primes the device for the actual layout step. Now you configure both clock widgets. In the widget maker, create the first clock, set its time zone, format, and styling, then duplicate or make the second widget and change only the time zone and label. Once configured, adjust sizes so both will fit horizontally or stacked on your lock screen. Save each preset and export if required. Make sure contrast and font sizes are legible against your lock screen wallpaper. Otherwise, the clocks will be hard to read when locked. Finally, add the two saved widgets to the lock screen via the lock screen app's widget picker or widget add gesture. Place them where they don't overlap, lock their positions if the app allows, and then test by locking and waking the phone. If a widget vanishes, make sure the lock app has background permissions and isn't blocked by battery optimization. Also verify the widget maker runs as an allowed app. If problems persist, switch to another lock screen app that explicitly supports persistent widgets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.